someone more like me. There's times when this dress rehearsal seems incomplete, but you see the colors in me like no one else. And behind your dark glasses, you're something else. Underneath it all, you want to love me. Underneath it all, well, I really love you. Underneath it all, you really love me. You know some real bad tricks and you need some discipline. But lately you've been trying real hard in giving me your best. But you give me the most gorgeous sleep that I've ever had. And when it's really bad, I guess it's not that bad. You really lovely underneath it all. Love me underneath it all. Well, I really love you underneath it all. You really love me. So many moons that we have seen, stumbling by next to me. I've seen right through and underneath, and it makes me better. I see right through and underneath, and it makes me better, better, better. Yes, I need to call. You are my real prince charming, like the ether from your fire. You are always burning, and each time when you're around, my body keeps calling for your touch, your kisses, and your sweet romance. And there's an underside I do you, that's the old man I adore. Aside from your temper, everything else secure. You're good for me, baby. Oh, that I'm sure. Over and over again, I guess you want more. If you stop off your coupons and all you've got left is me. But lately you've been trying real hard, I guess it's good to be. Lovely underneath it all. You want to love me underneath it all. Well, I really love you underneath it all. You really love me, love me, love me. Underneath it all. Underneath it all. Underneath it all. Underneath, oh, underneath it all. Oh, 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 underneath it all. Underneath it all.